In this video, I'll guide you through how to number questions in Jotform. If you're creating quizzes, surveys, or forms where you want each question clearly labeled with a number, this walkthrough will show you a simple way to do that right inside the Jotform builder. First, open your browser and go to jotform.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your forms. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're on the main Jotform dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of your forms and folders. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the option labeled All. This section usually shows all of your forms in one place. Click on All so you can view the full list of forms in your account. This makes it easier to find the specific quiz or form you want to edit. Next, locate the quiz you want to work on. You might have it named something like Math Quiz, Survey, or any custom title you've given it. Once you've found your quiz in the list, hover over it or click on it and then choose Edit Form. This will open the Form Builder interface where you can adjust questions, layout, and other form settings. When the form builder loads, you'll see your questions laid out on the main canvas. To start numbering your questions, click on the question you want to edit. This will highlight the field and usually open a small toolbar or show some quick options around it. You're looking for the properties option for that specific question. Click on properties. This typically opens a panel on the right side of the screen with several tabs, such as general, options, or advanced, depending on the field type. Stay in the general tab and look for the field labeled field label. This is the text that appears as the actual question on your form. To add numbering, you'll simply type the number in front of the existing question text. For example, if your question currently says, "What is your name?" You can change the field label to 1, "What is your name?" or Q1, "What is your name?" depending on the style you prefer. The key idea is that the number becomes part of the question label itself. After you add the number, take a quick look at the form preview on the main canvas to make sure it looks the way you want. Then repeat this process for each question. Click on the question, open properties, go to the field label, and add the appropriate number before the text. It can help to go in order from top to bottom so you don't accidentally skip or duplicate a number. Once you've numbered all your questions, you're done. You've successfully added clear, consistent numbering to your Jotform quiz by editing the field label for each question. This makes it easier for respondents to follow along and for you to reference questions later when reviewing responses.